Can you show some newly added vintage Kanchivaram from the website?
Sure, we've added a lot of vintage Kanchivarams to the website. Let me pick some of them. This yellow with black vintage Kanchivaram saree is quite unique. This is actually from our 2 grams gold collection, so it's not as expensive as the one that I showed earlier. We have this maroon vintage Kanchivaram silk saree. So you can see it is woven with temple borders, and we also have paisley motifs in the border. And then we have this other saree, beige with multicolored temples. And then here we've given solid zari. Again, here the way the borders are woven is very, very unique because you'll have to actually weave each of these temples by hand. And then we have this bottle green Kanchivaram silk saree. You can see the big paisley motif here with the peacock inside. On the other side, actually, we've given temple motifs. So you have 2 motifs in the borders, and for the body, you have these micro zari checks. And then we have the reddish pink traditional Kanchivaram silk saree. The body is woven with zari checks with these vintage motifs, and here we've used solid zari borders with the green selvage. And then finally, we have this design. The combination is off-white with rani pink, orange, and the selvage is green. And we have these rettapated borders.
Who is the pallu for the sarees?
The pallu is usually rich because these are actually 2 gram gold Kanchivaram silk sarees. You can see temples on either side and these vintage elements in the center.